Rahim, class 5th. Today we are going to revise our chapter number 4 from the workbook. So chapter number 4 is other living things. The first question, fungi versus plants. So here you have to write down the three differences between plants and fungi. So what are the three differences between plants and fungi? You have to write here three different things about these both. Now the second thing of this chapter that you have to do, the breaking down plants. This is an activity for you. So you have to record the decomposing process of a plant. So what you have to do here, you need two things, that a small branch broken from a tree and it should have leaves and a camera. So what will you do? Lay the branch in a garden. Then every day take a photo of the plant as it dies and decomposes. And then the third step that you have to do, that is, when the decomposition is quite advanced, print out your photos and display them in order. You can even make a poster of them. So you can display all those photos on a poster to tell that you can see on day 1st, you can see on day 2nd the leaves of the branch, on day 2nd, and all the days. You can take 15 to 20 days to this process. So what has happened now, your photos record the way microorganisms cause the plant to decompose. So you will have the record that how the microorganisms decompose the plants. And on the next page, microorganisms are good or bad. So you have to tell the benefits of microorganisms and the harms of the microorganisms. You have to write their benefits and also the harms. And now the term for our 6th chapter, that is food and diet. Here have you ever become sick after eating food that had gone bad or wasn't properly cooked? Well, then you had a case of food poisoning. Food poisoning is very common in Pakistan and is caused by bacteria. Name two types of these bacteria and write how they act upon the food. In your chapter number 6, you have learnt about the bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms. So you have to write here two types of bacteria and you have to write here how they react and how do they act on the food. And the next question, how can food poisoning be prevented? How can we prevent food from poisoning, from spoilage? So you have to write here over your own suggestions. And then the next turn is for the chapter number 7. That is also included in your syllabus. So environment, here you have to write the types of pollution, that is noise pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution and visual pollution. So you also have to describe them over here. On the next page they are given the types of pollution. So you have to complete the sentences. Visual pollution spoils the dish. Chemical pesticides help plants grow better, but what you have to write over here, noise pollution is bad for us because what it do. So biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So look around your house and make a list of 5 biodegradable things and 5 non-biodegradable items. Over here you have to make the list over here. And then here environment word search is given to you. So you have to find out the words from here. The word is pesticides, so you have to find the word. Where is the word pesticides? So you have to find where is that. So water whale is present over here, and the other words you have to find them your own. So what the words are: pesticides, biodegradable, degradable, noise, smoke, sewage, recycle, renewable, plastic, solar and water. So where these words are, you have to find them out. Now come for chapter number 8, that is matter and materials. So use the code below to fill the missing word in the sentence. These are the words. Solids retain their shape unless they come under, and what the words will be written over here. On the place number 10 it is E. On the place number 5, where is the number 5? Yes, it is X. On the place 13, what the number is that? 13, it is T. And on the number 10 it is E. Number 17, where is the number 17? Here is. And number 25 is N. Number 2 it is A. And number 24, that is L. Clear? So solids retain their shape unless they come under an external force. So what the word will come over here? External force. So in the same way you have to fill the other words from these codes, and then you have to write them over here. Here you have to write external, and after finding the other words you have to write them on the